What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Kyle with the Maple Review, and today I'm going to be doing a video that's very similar to the sneaker collection video I did, but this one is my top 5 essential footwear items for the spring season. You will see, if you did watch the sneaker video, you will see some of the same shoes from that video in this one. Obviously with spring, it's a big time for sneakers, but there's also a bunch of different ones in here too. So I think the point of this video is for me to give my opinion on the 5 types of shoe that if you have those, you're gonna be completely set for the spring and probably the summer season as well. So the number 1 must-have shoe for spring, in my opinion, is a good pair of just plain white sneakers. So here I have the Thursday all white sneakers in the low top. These could be anything, right? These could be low top Vans Classics that are all white. These could be Common Projects. These could be some Nike Blazers. Just any predominantly all white shoe is definitely the number 1 must-have. And for me personally, I think a good white plain leather shoe is definitely the best one to go with because it's just so versatile. A good white leather shoe you can wear with shorts and a t-shirt, obviously, or you can wear this with, I've seen people wear these with suits, right? I probably wouldn't wear it with a suit, but that just goes to show how versatile these are. You can dress them up, down, shorts, you know, more business sort of attire. You can do it all with these. So my number 1 pick, a pair of white sneakers. In my opinion, a pair of white leather sneakers. The second shoe on my list for a must-have for spring is a pair of black leather loafers. So a pair of black leather loafers is going to be highly versatile, just like the white sneaker, but obviously very different. I love black loafers. I feel like loafers in general are just kind of having a moment right now, and they've really blown up in, you know, pop culture and just all over the map. You see, you know, hype beast types wearing these on Instagram, all the way to of course, your granddad rocking these. So they're just very versatile. I love them. What I love about these is you can dress loafers up or down. I mean, I've seen people pull them off with like jeans and a white t-shirt. Obviously you can wear them with shorts. I don't wear these all that much with shorts, to be honest, but I think that they're great. My favorite thing about these is I can wear these anything from, you know, chinos and a t-shirt or a button down all the way up to a suit. So anytime in the summer for me or spring that it requires a, you know, full suit, like a wedding or some sort of really formal event, I always wear loafers, particularly these black loafers. And I think they're great for that, and they're definitely a must-have for spring because of all the different ways you can wear them. I like wearing them with, you know, like no socks and chinos and like a button-down shirt or like a short sleeve button-down, or again, dressing them up more formally anytime I have to wear a suit in the spring. These are what I'm wearing. So this particular pair I have are Allen Edmonds. I don't know the particular make. Maybe it's the Lake Forest here is what they're called, but I got these off of eBay for a wedding actually, and I've been obsessed with them ever since. They are great, very versatile, and so many different fun ways to rock these. For me, when I thought about loafers, it was always just, you know, with a suit or with like, you know, business attire or something like that. But if you follow people like Daniel Simmons or other people like that, you'll see them rocking these with like white socks and jeans and like even with sweatpants and just really pulling them off. So number 2, black loafers. Number 3 on the list for me is, I don't even know what you would call these, but I call them like an elevated sort of boat shoe, like a good casual leather shoe, something that's going to be a little bit more formal and a little bit more mature than a sneaker, but is different than a loafer. So I personally opted for these sort of handmade in Mexico. They're called Chemula, I believe is how you say them, but I actually got these off the Huckberry website, and I love them. These things are awesome. I wear these with everything from, you know, shorts and t-shirt with no socks, and kind of wear them like a Birkenstock or an elevated sandal. And then I also wear these with, you know, like a button-down shirt and with nice slacks or chinos as well. So I think that summer and spring definitely call for a shoe that is not a dress shoe, but has, you know, it's a little bit more elevated than a, you know, typical sandal or like a boat shoe. So I love these. I think find you something like this that's in that medium ground. That's not a loafer, but it's also not a dress shoe. It's somewhere right in between where, you know, you could wear these walking around in shorts or dress them up. So my number 3 pick is some sort of brown leather casual shoe. That's not a loafer. Number 4 on my list is a brown casual dress shoe. So number 3 on my list was a very casual, but more mature casual shoe, like a Birkenstock or like a boat shoe, or, you know, of course the ones I have. Number 4 on my list is a dress shoe, and in my opinion, it should be a more casual dress shoe, and that's for a couple of reasons. I just think it's more versatile. I do have a few pairs of dress shoes that are, you know, nicer, more formal. They're shinier. Maybe I have a cap toe or a wingtip or something. And I just don't wear them that much. I pretty much only wear them when I wear like suits or like, you know, slacks and a tucked in shirt, which isn't often. I really like these Thursday shoes. They are the Statesman is what this particular shoe is called. And it's this nice sort of matte rough brown here. And I love these too. They have a nice rubber sole, so it just kind of takes them down a level and has this light stitching. So this is a shoe that you really can obviously really dress up or down and have a lot of fun with. You can wear this with like traditional, you know, kind of formal outfits like slacks and a button down and a sports coat, or you can have fun wearing this with like a, you know, t-shirt and some khakis with no socks and, you know, the pants rolled up a little bit. Remember, we have the black loafers, which you can wear all the way up to a suit. So I think having these in brown, very good call. All right, so my 5th and final must-have for spring footwear is a good pair of sneakers that are what we'll call fun sneakers, right? So something that's not just all white, something's got a little bit more personality, it's a little funner, a little bit, you know, more casual. It just has a little bit more swag to it. My personal favorite sneakers kind of in this category are the Nike Dunks. I love them. I think that they're super versatile and they're very swaggy, and you can, you know, wear these. You can definitely have fun dressing these up or down, but they're a good everyday sneaker. A couple other suggestions for this sort of category would be like New Balances, like the 997s or even the 993s, just something that is a good everyday sneaker that you can maybe have fun and dress up a little bit, or just wear around, you know, as an everyday sneaker. So that wraps up my top 5 must-have footwear for the springtime. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you personally have in your collection or your personal top 5. These are mine. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions about the particular items I have. I'll try to link them in the description. And until next time, peace.